The way I address my business is trying to take advantage of a small scope, prove, in a sense, the way we work, generate success and value for both parties, and then go out and scale. And to that extent, I must say that the first experience that we have with WeMaintain, which is in this building here in Paris, is a success so far. So I don't see any reason why it couldn't be expanded further. We're at 40 Rue La Boétie in the center of Paris. This is the French headquarters of JLL for France. We have 1,000 people in France, but approximately 400 people in our headquarters here in La Boétie. We've refurbished this building 5 years ago to really use it as a showroom to show our clients all the things that we're able to do when we support them in any type of commercial real estate need that they may have. So it's important for us to have a tool where they can come and see exactly and touch how things happen. Nevertheless, this building did have some issues with the lifts. Very often I could see the maintenance people here trying to take care of a solution which structurally was actually never solved. And I was actually very happy when the landlord decided to switch and to use WeMaintain, expecting to see really what was going to happen because the approach was quite different, the company was quite new. And I must say that since WeMaintain is dealing with the lifts and since the landlord has mandated WeMaintain to do that, the situation has drastically improved. Today, things are much more fluid. Lifts is no longer one of the main topics within the employees. Now they complain about not having enough space to store their bike rather than the lifts being broken. So it allows me to switch on to the next topic. I think that WeMaintain is a successful example of a player that has taken a close part of the market, which has been working in the same way for many, many years with exactly the same players, and come there with a fresh pair of eyes, a technology set and a new setup that allows to sort of redistribute the value chain and really challenge actually the status quo. And I think that's the type of successful things that can inspire maybe other players to really rethink actually the way things have been done for ages and years. There are tools and data today that allow us to do things differently. My message to them would be, don't lose the DNA or the essence of the client value that you're trying to create. That'll be your biggest key to success. Keeping that line of sight constantly, even when you're going very quickly, I think will allow WeMaintain to thrive in the future. And quite frankly, well done so far and really looking forward to continuing to work with WeMaintain.